How to fix Windows 11 not connecting to Wi-Fi automatically. 1. Enable connect automatically when in range option in your network properties. 2. Forget the network you were trying to connect. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enable connect automatically, and connect to the network using potentially updated password. 3. Run Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 4. Disable allow the computer to turn off this device to save power in your network adapter properties. 5. Wi-Fi network adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Create a new folder, group policy at hkey_local_machine /software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/WCMSVC/group policy in registry editor. Create a new dword, 32-bit, value, f minimize connections in the above mentioned group policy folder. Restart your computer. 7. Set not configured to turn off Windows Network Connectivity Status Indicator Active Tests. Policy at Computer Configuration /Administrative Templates /System /Internet Communication Management /Internet Communicating Settings in Local Group Policy Editor, adit.msc. 8. Reset Network Settings.